Good morning. Today we will see about the bones, types of bones. We have long bones, short bones, flat bones, sesamoid bones, irregular bones, and sutural bones. Long bones we have 90 in number, short bones 28, 36 flat bones, 4 sesamoid bones, and 48 irregular bones. Total 206 bones in our body. Long bones are clavicle bones and upper extremity bones are and lower extremity bones. They all are long bones. 2 humerus, 2 radius, 2 ulna, 10 metacarpals and 28 phalanges in the upper extremity. In the lower extremity, 2 femur, 2 tibia, 2 fibula, 10 metatarsals and 28 phalanges. Short bones. Short bones, we will remember this one as it will cause sprain. So short bones, sprain. Cube shapes present in the wrist and ankle. These all are short bones. Carpal bones, 2 carpals in the wrist, 2 scaphoid, 2 lunate, 2 tricutum, 2 hamate, 2 capitate, 2 trapezoid and 2 trapezium. It's in each hand. And pisiform bone also in the carpal bone, but it will be included in sesamoid bone later because tendon arises from it. So it is called sesamoid bone. And dorsal bones in the ankle, 2 talus, 2 navicular, 2 cuboid bones, 2 calcaneus, 2 medial cuneiform, 2 intermediate cuneiform, 2 lateral cuneiform. Flat bones. Flat bones are protect the organs like brain, heart and lungs. It's 1 sternum, breastbone, 24 ribs, that is rib cage. And skull bones, 1 frontal, 2 parietal bone, 1 occipital bone, 2 nasal, 2 lacrimal and 1 vomer, 2 scapula, shoulder blade. And sesamoid bone, pisiform, 2 pisiform and 2 patella, otherwise called kneecap. And irregular bones, skull, ear, vertebrae and hips. 2 hips. Vertebral column, 7 cervical, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar, 1 sacrum, 1 coccyx and 1 hyoid bone. The skull bone, 2 temporal bone, 1 ethmoid, 1 sphenoid, 2 zygomatic, 2 maxilla, 1 mandible, 2 inferior nasal and 2 palatine. In the ear, 2 malleus, 2 incus and 2 stapes. Total 206 bones. In the long bones, just remember long bones, L, the limbs, in the limbs. So L stand for limbs and clavicle, 2 clavicle bones. So long bones, you remember L, long bones. So L means limbs. It will come for limbs and clavicle, all included in the long bones. Short bones causes sprain. Yes. So by that you can remember in mind that short bones in the wrist and the ankles. And another flat bones. Bones protect the organs. It's like a fort protecting the organs. So flat bones, fort protecting the organs. That is sternum, ribs and skull. Scapula, shoulder blade. And sesamoid bone, just remember same seeds. It's a P-shaped. So pisiform and patella. Irregular bones, just remember letter I, irregular bones. That is from the skull until the hip, like letter standing like I. So skull, ear, vertebrae, hips. Like I, you just remember that I stand for from the skull to hip. So all the bones in that I shape, it will come in the irregular bones. So again we will repeat in short. We have long bones, sharp bones, flat bones, sesamoid bones, irregular bones, and sutural bones, that is in the skull. Only in few persons it will present. So it is not included in the bone count. Just remember again: long bones, clavicle, humerus, radius, ulna, metacarpal, phalanges, and also lower extremity, femur, tibia, fibula, metatarsal, phalanges. Short bones, that are carpal bones, and in the dorsal bones. Carpal bones: scapoid, lunate, trapezium, hamate, capitate, trapezium, trapezoid, and pisiform. In pisiform is the sesamoid bone. Tarsal bones: talus, navicular, cuboid, calcaneus, medial cuneiform, intermediate cuneiform, lateral cuneiform. Flat bones: sternum, ribs, frontal bone, parietal bone, occipital bone, nasal, lacrimal, vomer, and two scapula. Sesamoid bones: pisiform and patella. Irregular bones: skull bones, hip bones. And in the vertebral column: cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacrum, coccyx, high eye bone. The skull bone: temporal, ethmoid, sphenoid, zygomatic, maxilla, mandible, inferior nasal concha, palatine. And in the ear: malleus, incus, and stapes. That's all. Thank you.